Welcome to PMN Online. Today I am going to show you exactly how to fix PayPal "We stopped this payment to keep you safe." This message pops up when you try to send money, and it's definitely frustrating. But here's the important thing you need to know right away. This issue usually has nothing to do with your PayPal account security. Understanding the real problem when PayPal displays the message, "We stopped this payment to keep you safe," it almost always means the person or business you are trying to pay has an issue on their end. PayPal has flagged their account, likely due to some unusual activity or a verification requirement they haven't met. For example, they might have a notification on their dashboard saying something like, "We need to verify this," or perhaps they haven't fully completed their account setup. There are several reasons this can happen on the recipient's side. Maybe they haven't filled in all their required information completely, or perhaps they haven't uploaded necessary supporting documents that PayPal is asking for to verify their identity or business. Another common cause is related to their transaction history. If the recipient has a lot of customer complaints, maybe for not fulfilling orders, or if they have faced numerous chargebacks or fake claims, PayPal might put restrictions on their account, preventing incoming payments until they clear things up. The solution: contacting PayPal directly. Because the root cause lies with the recipient's account, the fix must happen on their side. You have two main options here, but they both involve contacting PayPal support, specifically directed at the person receiving the money. 1. Inform the recipient. The most direct route is to tell the person you are trying to pay that they need to contact PayPal immediately. You can tell them something like, "Hi, you need to call PayPal. There appears to be an issue with your account that is preventing me from sending you this payment." 2. Recipient calls PayPal. They need to call PayPal to resolve whatever verification or security hold is placed on their account. Once they sort out the problem on their end, which usually involves verifying their identity or updating documentation, you should be able to send the payment without any issues. To prove this isn't your issue, try sending a small payment to a completely different person or business. If that payment goes through fine, it confirms that the problem is isolated to the specific recipient you were trying to pay earlier. So, to summarize for how to fix PayPal "We stopped this payment to keep you safe," you need to ensure the person receiving the funds contacts PayPal directly to verify or clear up their account status. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to fix PayPal "We stopped this payment to keep you safe." If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.